Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Clipboard History, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and use this handy Windows function. Alright, so I have a sample file open here, and if I highlight some text, I can copy that text, I can go somewhere else in my document, and I can paste that text. However, if I copy and paste more than one thing, the last thing that I copied is always going to be the thing that I paste. If you're doing a lot of copying and pasting, you may find that you need to recopy and repaste the same things repetitively. And if that's the case, the clipboard history may be what you're looking for. In order to use clipboard history, you can press the Windows key and the letter V together. And this will bring up the clipboard history window. And if it's not already turned on, you can click Turn On. And this will put the last thing that you copied into the clipboard history, and it allows you to click on it to paste it into your document again. And if you select something else to copy it, and if I continue moving through my document, highlighting text to copy it, when I press the Windows key and the letter V now, everything that I've copied in my history is in my clipboard history, and I can simply click on it to paste it directly into my document. Each item in the clipboard history has a menu button. You can delete that single item, you can clear the entire list, or you can pin and unpin items. Items that are pinned will not be cleared when you restart your computer. Items that are unpinned will be cleared when you restart your computer. And so if there are things that you copy and paste every single day, you can add them to your clipboard history under Windows key V, and then hit the menu button and choose the pin option. And so if I choose pin for objection there is, every time I open my clipboard history, I'm going to be able to choose that option, even if I've restarted my computer just now. The more text you're working with, the more useful the clipboard history may become. And again, this can be accessed anytime by simply pressing the Windows key and the letter V. And if you don't wish to paste anything in from your clipboard history, simply click away from it and it will disappear. To enter a word from your clipboard history, hit Windows key V, and then choose the entry you'd like from your clipboard history and enter it into your document. It's as simple as that. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime with any question, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and share the channel with anyone that you think may enjoy it. Thank you so much and have a great day.